video, I have shown you how to log in into Scratch, and I have also created a new project which is my program 1. So this whole part is called blocks palette. So all the blocks are available here. This part is called script area. Here we can write the script. And this part is called stage. Here the program will run. And this is called sprite. The cat is the default sprite in the Scratch. And this part is called sprites list. Here you can see all the sprites. So now I'm going to show you how to do a simple and small program. That is, my cat should say hello to everyone. So for that, you have to go to the blocks palette and you have to search events, which are yellow colored blocks. And then you have to drag this block when green flag is clicked. So this block says that when the green flag is clicked, the program will run. And then you have to go to looks and you have to select say hello block and drop it under when green flag clicked block. So this block says that the cat should say hello. So now let me test. So here I am clicking the green flag, which is go, and ta-da! The cat says hello to everyone. Say hello, hello. Okay. So in next videos, I'm going to come up with more information. Until then, bye-bye.